Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Amazon affiliate program. So you can sell this kind of products and earn commission on that. In order to do that, first of all, you have to open your browser and search for Amazon Associates. After searching, just simply click on the first link and it will redirect to you this kind of interface. And from here you have to click on the sign up button, and after that you have to enter your phone number or email address. After that you have to enter your password as well. After logging in, you will get to see this kind of form where you have to enter all the information related to that. For example, account information, website and mobile app list, and profile. Start using Associate Central. So you have to put it something like this. So who is the main contact for this account? The pay listed above. Just simply enter your personal details over here and then just click on the next button. Now over here you have to add your website, but right now I don't have any website, so what I will do, I will just enter my YouTube channel's link. Copy the link of your channel and click on the add button. So it will add your YouTube channel as a website where you can promote their products and their services as well. Just simply click on the next. Now you have to enter over here related to profile. So what is your preferred associate store ID? So it is not necessary to fill, but you can do that as well. Just I will, for example, I will put my channel name, so truth, and what your website or mobile apps about. It's related to search, video, making video on how to niche. And after that, what type are your website or mobile app? So I have to search for search. Right now I'm not able to see that, so what I will do, just simply click on others, and how did you hear about us? I will say blog post. Now over here you have to add the captcha, which is CZM562, and you agree to the terms and condition. Just simply click on the finish in the bottom. So it will take us to this one. So thank you for applying to the Amazon.in Associates program. So you may occasionally need to provide your associate ID to verify your account with us. Your application will be reviewed shortly after you have referred the qualified sales to Amazon in. So what they will do is so after this, Amazon will review our account. You will need to generate at least 3 sales in 180 days. So stay in the program. So enter your payment and tax information. What I will do is just simply click on the letter, and as you can see, I have got my dashboard. So this is how you can create Amazon Associates. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.